The Fisher's projection formulae of the smallest sugar containing 3 carbon atoms, namely glyceraldehyde, or glyceraldehyde can be represented by two Fisher's projection formulae. They are, one of them is this one. This is vertical chain of carbon atoms. To the right and left side, hydroxyl and hydrogen atoms are attached. This is right side. This is vertical chain of carbon atoms. To this right side, there is one hydroxyl group, another hydroxyl group. To the left side, 1, 2, 3, 3 hydrogen atoms. This is a vertical chain. This structure of glyceraldehyde is said to be D-glyceraldehyde. It is D-glyceraldehyde. The name D-glyceraldehyde is given to this structure due to this asymmetric center. In glyceraldehyde, there is only one chiral carbon, asymmetric carbon. This carbon is not asymmetric carbon. This is not asymmetric carbon. Carbon number 2 is asymmetric carbon. So, to this asymmetric carbon, when the hydroxyl group is attached to the right side, so then the glyceraldehyde is said to be D-glyceraldehyde. When this is asymmetric carbon atom, carbon number 1 is not asymmetric carbon because there is 1, 2, 3. There are 3 groups are attached. To this one, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 groups are attached to carbon number 3. But there is 2 groups are similar. Both are hydrogen atoms. So this carbon is not asymmetric. Carbon number 3, 1 is also. The second number carbon to which one hydroxyl group is attached, the other one is hydrogen. The third one is this group. The fourth one is this group. So all 4 groups are different. So this carbon number 2 is asymmetric carbon. So to this asymmetric carbon, hydroxyl group is attached to the left side. So that's why it is called L-glyceraldehyde. D and L are the letters which is used to differentiate between these 2 structures on the basis of this asymmetric carbon. The attachment of hydroxyl group to this asymmetric carbon atom. So this is the structure of D-glyceraldehyde. This is the structure of L-glyceraldehyde. Carbon number 2, this 2, in both cases is an asymmetric carbon atom which defined as that carbon atom to which 4 different atoms or groups are attached. As I have told you, structure number 1, this one, is called D-glyceraldehyde, and structure number 2, this one, this is called L-glyceraldehyde.